Okay guys, I got my Digital Octopus KWS 1015 all installed. I'm loving it so far. I did get the rear video camera adapter to work with my stock rear camera that was in my 2013 Camaro ZL1. It works great. I did have to change a few different settings, which I'll go over with you right now. If you bring up your settings, go to reverse tab. You don't want to change a couple settings. You don't want to make sure that these top two are turned off. The reverse radar and second one should be turned on. The tragedy direction turned forward. I have these two turned off. The biggest thing is the reverse system selection. I believe will be automatically set to PAL or one of the AHDs. So when you put it in reverse, it's sort of all distorted. So you're receiving a signal, just the wrong type of signal. So we got to change the format of the signal to NTSC. And then as soon as you have the NTSC set, yeah, perfect rear camera. The sensors all work in the rear bumper. The quality is really good. This is night vision or the nighttime. Daytime works just as good, if not better. And also, the lines do move when you move your steering wheel, which is nice. I didn't have that before in my Camaro. So if you have any questions, just follow those settings. You should have no issues with it after that. Thank you.